Hello, this is Imad from iMad IT, and yeah, you read that right. This is a review of a 5 years old MacBook Pro. Quick disclaimer, if this is your first time watching my channel, that is, you should know that I don't like to waste anyone's time, especially not my subscribers. Therefore, my content is short, condensed, and most importantly, crap-free. First, I want to start by talking about what I do with my laptop. I work as a web developer, so I write code, and I'm into photography, but nothing too serious. And I use it for multimedia like anyone else. I don't do gaming, but if I did, I'd use a real PC. Anyway, I have this laptop for 2.5 years. I bought it second-hand for about 800 euros. Now keep in mind that this is a 512 SSD model plus an upgraded CPU. And of course I plan on using it for at least 2 more years. macOS is my choice when it comes to operating systems, and I choose it over Windows any day. It has an actual list of useful features compared to Windows that I can definitely make a video about if you want, so please let me know in the comments section. Now the video purpose. First, I'm not trying to tell you to buy a 5-year-old laptop. Instead, I'm delivering the following information. Number 1. You don't need to change your devices as often as the media, companies, and YouTube reviews tell you to. 2. MacBooks age well, at least from a build quality standpoint. Alright, as a person whose job is to write a lot, I can say that the keyboard is very comfortable. Though with time, the key's matte texture turns into a shiny and reflective surface that doesn't look so good. I've dropped the laptop a few times, and as a consequence, I got a few dents, but generally the laptop looks pretty good. However, if you're as stupid as I am and fall asleep with your laptop next to you, you'll get this surprise. And trust me, it doesn't look good on dark backgrounds. Because this has the older design, you can actually live without dongles. That says it all. Oh wait, and the MagSafe. What else should I say? The trackpad. It is so good that I actually don't use a mouse anymore. I like it so much, so I bought a separate trackpad that features Force Touch, which by the way is missing from this model. Alright, so what about the performance? This is a 5-year-old machine after all. And I'm not just using it to write a document or surf the web. I actually use this for work, and most days it drives 2 QHD displays with absolute ease. Alright, some of you want numbers, and I'm not a big fan of measuring performance with numbers. Nonetheless, the 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro without Touch Bar has a CPU that's about 35% faster, which is understandable considering the time gap. However, the graphics performance double. Now that's definitely noticeable when working with 4K footage, RAW images, and so on. Think about this. A laptop with a good display, SSD, 8 GB of RAM, a decent CPU, good build quality, free software updates, ports, and 6 hours of battery life. This laptop checks many boxes, and in my opinion, it is suitable for many use cases. Now look at what you already have, then think again before you get that new Galaxy S9 or Dell laptop you've been checking out. Feel free to like or dislike, and maybe subscribe. This is Imad, and these were my thoughts. What do you think?